Hi guys, my name is Anthony, and in today's video we're going to take a look of the market. We are going to define some concepts, and we're going to try to define what does defines the value of our metrics in a market. Okay, so for first we're going to take a look on the past. We're going to define what's the market. And if we see in the past, the market starts when a group of people starts to exchange goods or services. In this concept, the market is the definition of the group of people that is exchanging, and it's defined by the society. Okay, so what does define the value of our product? I'm going to try to answer this question by telling a story or showing an example. Okay, if I'm a sculptor, I define the price of my product with the past of the days that I do on make my sculpture. In this case, let's see if I'm a clay sculptor. Let's imagine that an sculpt takes me around 3 days on made and sculpt. Okay, in this case my sculpt values 3 days of works. But now if there's someone on the competition that makes my sculpt in less day, let's imagine that my competition makes the same sculpture but in 1 day, because of he had a 3D printer or he made an injection of plastic. Okay, then my scope doesn't value 3 days of works. My sculpture values 1 day of works. What determines that? The market merchandise. Sorry. So that's something that values that defines the values on our products. If we want to be more competitive on the market, we have to study the market where we are going to sell, because we can see that there's so many processes that are already automated, and it's just difficult to be competitive with. So that was a little look of what does define the value of a market and what's the actual market. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next time.